The prosecution just wrapped up its case in the murder trial of Jeremy Christian, the man accused of stabbing 3 people on a Portland MAX train, killing 2 of them.
The state called its last few witnesses today, and at one point, the judge admonished Christian for his courtroom behavior. Fox 12's Kelsey Watts was in the courtroom today. She joins us live from outside the Multnomah County Courthouse with an update. Kelsey?
Well, Liz and Pete, there were a lot of really tough images to see today. Graphic video and photo evidence showing those attacks unfolding in real time, and also the victims in those moments right after they had been stabbed. We also heard from a police detective who showed the jury the knife that was used in this attack. From the witness stand, Detective Michele is holding up the murder weapon used in the deadly MAX stabbings, a knife with a 3.5-inch blade.
It's a knife that opens easily, just with a push. It also has what looks to be blood on it, on each side.
Investigators say that's all it took for Jeremy Christian to kill Ricky Best and Talisha Namkai-Meche and nearly kill Micah Fletcher by stabbing all 3 in the neck.
There was a lot of blood inside the MAX train. I saw Ricky Best.
You can watch the video on that too, right?
Detective Michaels also spoke with Jeremy Christian in the hours after the attacks as he was in a holding cell.
He said, "What do you think when somebody assaults me on the MAX? They get stabbed in the neck. You don't touch me, all right? That's what happens. They up. They died, okay? I hope they died."
The jury saw graphic video and photos of the attacks and the victims' injuries we won't show you here, as Detective Michaels laid out a timeline of events and her observations. That's when prosecutors interrupted, asking the judge to admonish Jeremy Christian for his behavior in the courtroom.
Who, during this testimony, has been variously shaking his head in disagreement, laughing, shaking his head in apparent agreement, as he has done throughout most of this proceeding.
We just watched the video and she's fine.
Okay,
it's clear.
so that's it. That's what we're going to do.
Prosecutors also called relatives to the stand of the 2 victims who did not survive. Ricky Best's oldest son, Eric, was 19 when his father was killed. He said his dad was an Army veteran who was working for the city of Portland when he died.
Was it your father's habit to commute by MAX every day to and from that job?
Yes, sir.
Talisha Namkai-Meche's sister said he was one of 9 kids and graduated from Reed College in 2016. She said he rode the MAX or bus to work because of his passion for the environment and became emotional, identifying a photo of him taken in the last year of his life.
That's my little brother.
Talisha?
Talisha. We called him Tilly.
And this afternoon, the state rested in this trial. That means they are done calling witnesses, but there are some legal motions the judge will hear tomorrow. So the jury is not due back until Monday, and that is when the defense will begin its case. Live in downtown Portland, Kelsey Watts, Fox 12 Oregon.